Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. Our today's video will be the beginner's level for the ITIL interview questions. Before moving on to this session, if you like what you're about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. So without any more wait, let's get into it. The interview questions and the solutions for them. Question 1. What does ITIL stand for? Explain in detail. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It is a framework that assists the software professionals in delivering highest quality IT services to organizations. It consists of a set of best practices for IT service management, or the ITSM, that assists in aligning the IT services with the needs of the customers and business needs as per the current market trends. Question 2. ITIL consists of which processes? Answers. ITIL processes are divided into 5 service lifecycle phases, and they are service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. Question 3. Describe the benefits of ITIL. Answer. The major benefits of ITIL are as follows. Effective alignment between the IT and business. Building customer relationships and emphasize customer satisfaction by delivering quality services. Managing business risk and service disruption. Putting in place cost-effective practices through better utilization of resources. Establishing a robust IT environment. Increase transparency of IT costs and resources. Supports constant and sudden business changes for a stable service environment. Helps in creating clear structure of an organization. Improves service availability. Assists in improved decision-making process. Question 4. What is ITIL Service Desk, and explain its benefits? Answer being, the ITIL Service Desk is the point of contact between the service provider and the users. It serves as a communication point for the users to report operational problems, questions, and other requests. The service desk must possess excellent customer service abilities like empathy and emotional intelligence in order to succeed. The major benefits of ITIL service desks are listed below. A higher first call resolution rate. Skill-based assistance, the swift restoration of services, improved service quality monitoring, enhanced identification of trends and risks, improved employee satisfaction, and rapid service restoration. Next question. Explain a known error in ITIL. Answer. A known error in ITIL refers to an identified problem whose root cause and resolution is analyzed, but the problem is not fixed. It consists of the following: status, error description, the root cause, and workaround. Problem plus the root cause plus the workaround would be known as the known error. Question 6. How can you close a known error? Answer. You can close a known errors based on these conditions. When all requests for change or the RFCs are closed. The known error must have a root cause, solution, and a workaround. And when a record is found in the error closure phase. Question 7. What do you understand by the SLA? The SLA is an acronym for the Service Level Agreement. It refers to the commitment between a service provider and the end user or a client. SLA represents the level of service assumed by the external or the internal service provider. It emphasizes the standards of services that the customer expects from the provider, the factors that determines if a success is achieved, and the consequences or remedies that the service providers would face if the standard of service isn't fulfilled. Question 8. What does SACM stand for? Answer. The SACM stands for the Service Asset and Configuration Management. It primarily deals with the maintaining and verifying assets and database, which are also made accessible to other processes. Question 9. Explain Service Value System. The various elements and activities that work together to produce value are represented by the Service Value System. These consist of relevant service management inputs, elements, outputs, and other components, which are guiding principles. Organization can use these principles in every situation, regardless of its objectives, goals, strategies, type of work, management style, or structure. Governance. It provides a structure that will aid to the organization in establishing and preserving control. Every investment the company makes is intended to add value and guarantee that it will achieve its business goals. Opportunity or demand. Opportunity describes the possibilities available to the firm to better serve the stakeholders and provide value. Demand is a term used to describe a customer's internal or external demand or desire for a product. Service value chain. It is a method for developing, providing, and constantly enhancing services. It comprises 6 activities that can all be integrated in various ways to produce the various value streams. Practices. These are the set of resources that are used to carry out specific tasks or achieve specific goals. Continual improvement. It focuses on improving through increasing the effectiveness of the service while cutting costs associated with the resources, services, and other IT management strategies. Question 10. What is utility? Answer. Utility is a requirement to satisfy a certain market by a service or a product. A utility examines a certain service's functionality to see whether it is suited for its purpose. Question 11. List a few ITIL-based models that organizations have adopted. Answer. Microsoft's MOF, Hewlett-Packard or HP's ITSM reference model, and IBM's IT process model. Question 12. What are ITIL's 4 P's? And the answer being people. These refers to the people involved in the process and procedures. Processes. The company's capacity to put processes in place. Products. These emphasize on the service itself and the technology that it supports it. And finally, partners. Parties who collaborate with the IT department. Question 13. What are the key steps involved in the problem management process? Answer. Key steps involved in the problem management processes are identification of a problem, classification of the problem and prioritizing it, determining root cause of the problem, find a workaround for the problem, creation of a known error record, resolving, closing the problem, and examining the problem. That's it for this video of the beginner level interview questions for ITIL problem management. Thank you.